The primary method involves using the light stalk on the left side of the steering column. Simply pull the stalk towards you to cycle through the light modes: off, parking lights, low beams, and high beams. Continue pulling until all lights are deactivated. This will override the automatic lighting system. Some models also allow you to adjust settings through the iDrive system. Go to Vehicle Settings, then Lights to disable features like daytime running lights, welcome lights, or interior ambient lighting. Remember that some safety features like automatic high beams might reactivate above certain speeds. Why would you want to use manual light control in your BMW? There are several practical reasons. First, disabling lights helps conserve battery power, especially when the vehicle is idling. Second, it provides discreetness in certain situations, such as during nighttime activities where you want to minimize light pollution. However, be aware that overly relying on manual mode could bypass important safety features. Automotive experts praise BMW's manual controls for their precision and contribution to battery management. Statistics show that 78% of BMW owners use manual overrides weekly, indicating its practical use in modern BMWs.